Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, you will click in this page of Deepseek and you will click in this window here. After that, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that, we click on clear cache, and then here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Deepseek. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget